Hello and welcome to Inspire Audiovisual's new mini-series on home cinema. My name's Ben Davies and I will be your guide to show you through some of the products that we utilise when building our wonderful home theatres. So, let's get to it. Welcome back to our mini-series on home cinema. This week we are talking about Triad's new PDX series of architectural speakers. Here we have the 6-inch angle speaker which we use for Dolby Atmos, and right here we have a in-wall 8-inch speaker which we use for our surround sound channels. Now the idea of today is to open this box up, take a look at this speaker in a bit more detail and go over some of the features which are included with the prestigious brand that Triad is. So let's take a look. Now there are 13 speakers in all in the PDX range. So we have in-ceiling speakers, both 6-inch and 8-inch. We have a dual tweeter in-ceiling speaker, which is for small audio zones or for rear channels in a media room or cinema room. We have a 6-inch or 8-inch in-wall speaker. We have a LCR for front channels on a media room or cinema room. And we have the angle speaker that you see here, which we use for Dolby Atmos. Now, let's have a look at the speaker itself and some of the technology that's built into this box. First of all, snap, bravo on the packaging. Pretty much everything in this box is cardboard, except, which is absolutely fine in one respect, the plastic paint cover for this speaker. Now, has to be plastic, it's going to get painted on. So that's fair enough in great respect, but everything else completely sustainable and completely recyclable. So bravo, Snap, it's a nice way to start a box an opening. Let's pop that over there and take a look at the speaker itself. Now, Triad, known for their performance in speakers and always ahead of the curve when it comes to technology. The woofer itself is an infusion of Kevlar and carbon fibre, something completely unique to Triad themselves. And then wait for it, this tweeter here is made of Teteron. Yes, you heard me right, Teteron. I found out that essentially it's synthetic silk. So it's a silk dome tweeter with a carbon and Kevlar woofer behind it. As always with Triad, performance is outstanding, especially for an in-ceiling speaker, closed back solution obviously, and yeah, all the build quality that you'd want from a performance speaker itself. It's taken it to a new level though now. It has now moved into the world of making your life easier as an installer. So this isn't new as a technology, but they have their very own version of an easy fitment system. So it's called PushLock. Essentially, all 4 of these locking levers get pulled back. We can pull the expensive piece of kit and pull it out the way. Why is this important? So, when you're on site and you are fitting speakers, generally what happens is the painter comes along and paints all over them and ruins them, or just drives you mad for doing that exact thing. When you can take a frame and install it into place, you can actually get an accessory that sits on the back of this, which makes it a completely closed box. Things like pressure testing for houses can be done. They can spray away, they can paint away, and you can come back afterwards, take your speaker, put the speaker cables in. That's the next thing. If someone can make it so someone can install the speaker cable, that'd be even better. And this should pop into place, levers closed, and we have got a fully fixed speaker in place. Now, we will be doing a full installation video for this, which I assume will be very fast, looking at the new technology that it is. So on the next episode of the Home Cinema mini-series, that's what we'll be undertaking. So I'll see you on the next video.